Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And once again this month we have Amaya Raine Day. And Amaya Raine Day is a challenge that Dory's Dollies and our channel, Dolls Rescue, host each month. And we give a theme, and then we ask you to bring out your rainbow high. Woo, stand up, sweetheart. Oh, what's in your hair? We give a theme and we ask you to bring out any of your rainbow high or shadow high dolls and show us what your interpretation of our challenge is. This month is orange. Now that could be anything. I have her off her stand because I wanted to show off her little fishnets that I had made, and I made them with the line in the back like the Sexy's 40s. I love this dress. I actually made it last year, but with the orange trim and the orange eyes, I thought it was perfect for this challenge. I love these great big dolls. They are so much fun. I made this dress using an 18-inch doll pattern. And what I did is I made my bodice, but before I did any of the side seams, I tried it on her without the sleeves. And then after I got the bodice the size that I wanted, I measured the sleeves, the pattern from the sleeves, to make sure they would go all the way down to her wrist. I tweak a lot of patterns. It's fun for me. That is my fun in the doll world, is sewing for them, making my own patterns, and even more than that, meeting you, meeting the other people in the doll community. And one way we can do that, is to join in on the challenges and collabs and get to know one another and meet up at doll shows, etc. And we're going to have some news on that before too long. Thank you, Dory. This is so much fun, and I get an excuse every month to pull out my rainbow high dolls, which I love them. They're such beautiful dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. If you are joining in today, please let us know in the comments that you too have a video, because we want to see it. Please leave a like on this video and every video you visit today. Please leave a comment and subscribe.